our lead creatives are all digital background. So from the very beginning, technology and the creativity is totally hand in hand, almost bound together, and then also exploring each other's limits.
About a year ago, we took a pretty long, hard look at ourselves and the way that we were working. There was the big handoff process that happened all of the time. You know, the strategist would work on it and then it would get handed to creative and then it would get handed to technology. So it was like pass the baton and then it would launch. We looked at that and we were like, prototyping has to happen early so we can learn and fail really quickly.
We have a suite of sort of create, design and build tools called Expression. There's a tool to build fast, rapid prototyping called Sketchflow, which sits inside Expression Blend. And that makes it much nicer for the designer to work on their piece and then throw it straight across to the developer who can code on exactly the same stuff.
I think one of the strongest elements of new technology, Silverlight, is one of those, is that you no longer need to think around where you're actually building it for. The ability to just think once, build once, and then the technology layer allow you to adapt it pretty quickly for different environments is hugely important for clients.
The thing that I loved about Photosynth, and one of the main reasons that we use Photosynth, is because everything's layered. It's already got this really, really beautiful kind of art direction to it from a consumer's point of view. That action and that art direction and the feeling of it just engages them even more. It's just brilliant to watch people use it.
More so today than ever, I think technology is a source of inspiration. I mean, the stuff we've seen here at the CaT conference, you know, where people are getting up and talking about data and the analyzation of data and how you visualize it. That's typically was the technologist's reign or domain to sort of play with that type of data set. Now creatives are looking at that and saying, well, what can I do with that? You know, how can I use that? Is there some way that I can manipulate it?
Microsoft is changing internally. We have the tools to enable it, we have the technologies to enable it. You know, there's some fantastic campaigns executed on our technology and with our Microsoft advertising by these digital agency partners.
I want us to be clear and I want us to be transparent. We want to see our technology adopted. That's our objective. We're very excited about that. But we want our partners to build amazing brand experiences, and that's their specialty. And bringing those two things together, sort of what's possible technically, with what's right for consumers, what's right for the brand, what's right for the experience, that's really the foundation of a great partnership.
What a lot of people perceive Microsoft as kind of an untouchable, inaccessible brand, to come to like the design community and say, we have a product, we're open to sort of getting feedback and have you develop it. And I think that's really encouraging. I think it's helped change the perception of a lot of people's opinion of the brand. And actually, I think there's a different angle now. I think people see it as a creative brand and the opportunity to do creative things with it.